morning to one and all. With great joy and immense pleasure, on behalf of Jagruti Charitable Trust, Thakur Shyamnarayan Degree College, Mumbai, I, Rita Pal, Faculty of BSCCS, welcome to our Honorable Principal, Dr. Sharad Phulari Sir, for this International E-Conference. Dr. Sharad Phulari Sir has a treasure of experience in the academic career. He has 21 years of teaching experience as an associate professor and 8 years of experience as principal. He has organized 28 conferences and has authored 6 books. His 65 papers have been published in different national and international journals. He has an experience as NSS program officer and cultural coordinator. He is awarded as the best teacher from Mumbai University. Dr. Sharad Phulari Sir is a distinguished personality with immense knowledge and holistic vision. He is a remarkable leader and an inspiration for all. Now I request Dr. Sharad Phulari Sir to deliver inaugural address.
Good morning to everyone. On behalf of all the IQAC and Department of Computer Science of Thakur Shyamnarayan Degree College, Kandivali, Mumbai, and everything in between the Tilak Maharashtra Vidyapit, Pune, I stand here to offer you a warm welcome for International Conference on Role of Artificial Intelligence in the Pandemic. So, it's a very auspicious day because today is the international conference in the computer science department, and as I said that for this computer science conference we are having the collaboration with the Tilak Maharashtra Vidyapit, Pune. So I would like to say once again a very good morning to everyone for this international conference, and the main theme of this international conference is role of artificial intelligence in the pandemic. For this international conference, very warm welcome to the research delegates, very warm welcome to the participants, a very warm welcome to the teacher colleagues, dear students, the conveners, the organization committee members, a very warm welcome. So, besides this, research delegate, participant, teacher colleague, dear students, the conveners and organization committee, the very important guests are guest of honor, Honorable Dr. Geetali Tilak Madam, the officiating Vice Chancellor of the Tilak Maharashtra Vidyapit, Pune. Welcome to the keynote speaker, Honorable Sandeep Borwal Sir, and it's a heartiest welcome to Chief Guest of today's international conference, Honorable Pooja Dabi Madam. So, I repeat, along with the research delegate participants, teacher colleagues, dear students, conveners, organization committee, it's my privilege to welcome the guest of honor, keynote speaker, as well as the chief guest for the today's conference. Very warm welcome to the guest of honor, Honorable Dr. Geetali Tilak Madam, the officiating Vice Chancellor of the Tilak Maharashtra Vidyapit, Pune. Welcome to the keynote speaker, Honorable Sandeep Borwal Sir, and it's a heartiest welcome to chief guest for today's international conference, Honorable Pooja Dabi Madam. The main theme of today's international conference is the role of artificial intelligence in the pandemic. The sub-themes are COVID Act for the COVID-19 hospitals, importance of artificial intelligence in education field, fitness and health apps in the artificial intelligence in the pandemic situation. So these are the sub themes, some of the sub themes of the main theme, that is the role of artificial intelligence in the pandemic. So the major focus is given on the sub theme, that is a COVID app for the COVID-19 hospital, importance of artificial intelligence in the education field, fitness and the health apps in the artificial intelligence in the pandemic situation. Besides these sub themes, role of artificial intelligence in the work from home in pandemic is very important sub theme, which changed the scenario of the IT industries in the pandemic. Artificial intelligence helps in home delivery of the food in cooked form or in the raw form, like the grocery, vegetable, etc. These all the points are to be discussed as one of the sub-theme of this international conference. Role of artificial intelligence in online stock market during the pandemic is also having the dimension to discuss in this international conference. Online money transaction, online darshan of the temples, like changed scenario took place in life due to the artificial intelligence in this pandemic situation. These all sub themes are there to discuss in today's main theme, that is the role of artificial intelligence in the pandemic, to discuss throughout the day for the international level of the conference. Intelligence is one of the sub-themes to work on this international conference. Today's international conference is a thought journey process about the role of artificial intelligence in the pandemic. For today's international conference, I feel fortunate to have Honorable Sandeep Borwal sir as keynote speaker. So once again, it's a warm welcome to the Sandeep Borwal sir as a keynote speaker. Honorable Sandeep Borwal sir is presently working as consultant in the Mutual of the Oma, Wolverton of the United States. So, sir is working at present in the United States. He is working as a consultant in the IT field. It is great privilege to have Honorable Sandeep Borwal sir as keynote speaker. His excellence as a consultant in field of information technology with specialization of the artificial intelligence is pleasure to listen. I repeat friends, Honorable Sandeep Borwal sir as a keynote speaker, his excellence as a consultant in field of information technology with a specialization of artificial intelligence is a really pleasure to listen. He is one of the finest authority in this area. Therefore, we are glad to attend Honorable Pooja Dabi Madam as chief guest for today's international conference on the role of artificial intelligence in pandemic. Honorable Pooja Dabi Madam is AI solution specialist in United States. I would like to compliment to Honorable Pooja Dabi Madam for her most stimulating work as actual researcher person in information technology. I would like to compliment to Honorable Pooja Dabi Madam for her most stimulating work as actual researcher person in information technology. Execution of research study of artificial intelligence is one of the finest expertise of today's chief guest, Honorable Pooja Dabi Madam. Execution of research study of artificial intelligence is one of the finest expertise of today's chief guest, Honorable Pooja Davi Madam. Today, Honorable Pooja Davi Madam will definitely share her great success story about studies in AI and IT. I am confident about Honorable Pooja Davi Madam's presentation for today's international conference. It will draw the audience in and will hold their attention for next technical session of this international conference. Definitely. For the organization of today's international conference, from Thakur Shyamnarayan Degree College, Kandivali, Mumbai, I must say lot of the thanks to Shri V.K. Singh sir, Chairman of Thakur Education Trust, Mumbai, and a very lot of thanks to Shri Rajesh Singh sir, Chief Executive Officer of Thakur Shyamnarayan Degree College, Mumbai. Shri V.K. Singh sir and Shri Rajesh Singh sir both are the personalities who support this college, who govern this college at par excellence. I must repeat and I must underline and I must stress these points. Shri V.K. Singh sir and Shri Rajesh Singh sir both are the great personalities who support this college. Both are the great personality who govern this college at the par excellence. Shri V.K. Singh sir and Shri Rajesh Singh sir are ultimate supporters. Their support is solicited and acknowledged for their dedication toward this college. Problems become an opportunities when the right people join together. Problems becomes the opportunity when the right people join together. Similarly, Jagruti Jadhav Madam of this college, who is working as a coordinator and convener for this international conference, and Mr. Ajit Khadilkar sir of Tirak Maharashtra Vidyapit, Pune, who is working as a secretary of the Tirak Maharashtra Vidyapit. Both are the right people. Both are the right people who are joined together and who converted the problems into opportunities. So I must have to admire the efforts put in by both the conveners. The one convener, Jagruti Jadhav Madam, from the Thakur Shyamnarayan Degree College, and Ajit Khadilkar sir, Secretary of the Tirak Maharashtra Vidyapit. Both are the convener and both are right people who join together. They convert the problem into the opportunity, and that's what the today's international conference on the studies on the role of artificial intelligence in the pandemic. I must mention that great things are done by series of small things brought together. I must mention that the great things are done by a series of the small things brought together. Similarly, this international conference is carried out by series of the small things to achieve the great things. So these small things are achieved in the great manner by the Jagruti Jadhav Madam, Honorable Ajit Khadilkar sir, as well as I must have to mention about the Rita Pal Madam. So Rita Pal Madam is a co-convener for this international conference. So when somebody says that instead of stand apart from the competition, when you come together and then you can achieve the series of the great things. So Rita Pal madam came together along with the Jagruti madam as well as the Honorable Ajit Kadilkar sir, and they three of those stand together as a team. As the three of these stand together as a team, I must have to say that three cheers to this team efforts for the organization of the today's international conference. When a team of dedicated individuals makes a commitment to act as one, then the sky is the limit for success and achievement. This is a very nice quote. I would like to repeat for every one of us. When a team of dedicated individuals makes a commitment to act as one, then the sky is limit for success and achievement. For success and achievement of the today's international conference, the organization committee of this college, especially I must have to mention about the Anuja Gaikwad madam, Alifiya Shaikh madam, as well as Dhanashri Adam madam. So this entire team put the efforts, put the dedication, and put the commitment so as to act as a one team for organizing today's conference. It is fact that in the right formation, the lifting power of many wings can achieve twice the distance of any birds flying alone. It is fact that in the right formation, the lifting power of many wings can achieve twice the distance of any bird flying alone. In conclusion, I would like to say in the right formation, the lifting power of many wings extended by the organization secretaries, organization committees, convener, co-convener, chief guest, keynote speaker, guest of honor, patrons and research delegates, students, research students, participant students, these all put the efforts to achieve the twice the distance of anyone flying alone. It's amazing to welcome for the everyone once again. Thanks to everyone once again. Wishing a great success for a day ahead for the international conference. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable talk.